Today I am reviewing the MALLRACE gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The MALLRACE RX16 16-inch gaming laptop is a powerful and versatile laptop that balances high-performance gaming, productivity, and entertainment. Whether you're a student, professional, or gamer, this laptop is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease. Starting with performance, the MALLRACE RX16 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7735HS processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. Built on the advanced Zen 3 Plus architecture, this CPU offers excellent multitasking capabilities and high-intensity computing performance, making it ideal for everything from gaming and video editing to office work and content creation. Complementing the processor is the AMD Radeon 680M integrated graphics, which delivers performance close to dedicated graphics cards. This ensures smooth gameplay, crisp visuals, and responsive performance across a variety of applications. The 16-inch FHD display with a 1920 by 1200 resolution offers immersive visuals, high contrast, and accurate color reproduction. Thanks to IPS technology and a 16:10 aspect ratio, you get wide viewing angles and consistent colors, whether you're gaming, streaming, or working. The display also supports high refresh rates and low-latency technology, providing ultra-smooth gameplay and fluid visuals. The ultra-narrow bezels make the screen feel even larger, enhancing the overall immersive experience. Multitasking and storage are also strengths of this laptop. With 16GB of DDR5 RAM running at 4,800 MHz, the MALLRACE RX16 handles multiple applications, browser tabs, and demanding software without slowing down. The 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD ensures fast boot times, rapid file access, and smooth application loading, giving you both speed and reliability for work or play. Connectivity and expansion options are impressive as well. The laptop comes with USB 3.2 and USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, USB-C with full functionality, an SD card reader, a 3.5mm audio jack, and Type-C DC charging. Additionally, Wi-Fi 6 support ensures faster and more stable internet connections, up to 3 times faster than Wi-Fi 5, while the backlit keyboard enhances usability in low-light settings and adds a stylish touch for gaming or productivity sessions. The design of the MALLRACE RX16 is both functional and stylish. It combines a durable build with premium features like a responsive backlit keyboard, comfortable typing experience, and a sleek modern look. Whether for gaming marathons, work projects, or streaming movies, this laptop is built to handle it all. Finally, customer support and reliability are included. MALLRACE offers 12 months of repair coverage and unlimited technical support, ensuring that you have assistance whenever needed. This adds peace of mind and makes the RX16 a dependable choice for long-term use. In conclusion, the MALLRACE 16-inch gaming laptop is a high-performance, reliable, and feature-packed device. With its AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 512GB SSD, large FHD display, and backlit keyboard, it delivers power, speed, and immersive visuals for gaming, work, and entertainment. Whether you're a gamer, student, or professional, this laptop provides excellent performance, modern connectivity, and a premium experience at an impressive value, making it a top choice for anyone looking for a versatile high-performance laptop.